All right, so I had every intention of making a garden tour video. I even started the garden tour video, and it's been pouring rain all day, and it's supposed to rain again tomorrow, so that's where we are at with that. So Jonathan requested Chicago-style hot dogs for dinner tonight, and he said, why don't you just make a video on that? And so that's what we're doing. We are making authentic Chicago-style hot dogs for dinner tonight, starting with the unauthentic bun. You are supposed to use a poppy seed bun, of which our store did not have a single poppy seed bun. So that's where we're at with that. I just got regular buns. They do open from the top though, so that's nice. For the hot dog, I did go with the authentic Vienna Beef Chicago hot dog. And if you're interested, I cooked it the way that it says. You can't read it. I did simmer it. So I have that over here. They simmered. So I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna put it in the bun that I did warm. The bun is warm. All right, so these have the directions on the back. I don't know if everyone can find these. Probably not. We live like relatively close to Chicago. We live in St. Louis, so I don't know if everyone can find this. And this is horrendously green, but it is what they use. So we have yellow mustard. We're gonna do the yellow mustard first. Also, my camera's gonna die because I apparently did not charge it. So that's where we're at. So yellow mustard in a zigzag pattern. It's not very zigzag. And then the Chicago style relish, which is horrendously green. Apparently it is called dragging it through the garden. That is what it is called when you top it with all the things. And then we have chopped onion. Jonathan likes a lot of onion, so we're gonna go heavy on the onion. I'm just hoping my camera doesn't die while I'm topping this. And then 2 tomato wedges. Two tomato wedges. And then 1 dill pickle spear. So we've got the dill pickle spear there. 2 sport peppers. Not 1, 2 sport peppers. And then a dash of celery salt. I don't have authentic Vienna celery salt, but oh, that was heavy on the celery salt there. And that is the authentic Chicago style dog. Let me go charge my battery real quick and then we can have Jonathan taste this. Okay, John B has eaten all of his fries almost.
I'm hungry.
Because I was making mine. Here's mine. Just go for it.
Yeah, it looks delicious. I'm sure I'll get it everywhere.
I'm sure, because it's just a big, messy.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've actually ever had a Chicago style hot dog in Chicago. You have?
Mm-hmm.
Did your mom ever make these? Oh. And for anyone interested, I'll read. So, these are the hot dogs I got. I showed this. And on the inside, it has the history of it. I'm going to set this here so I can read it. You can see Jonathan.
Mm-hmm.
It says the Vienna Beef hot dog made its debut at the storied 1893 Chicago World's Fair at a stand operated by Austrian-Hungarian immigrants. I'm not going to say their names because I'll butcher that. The Chicago-style hot dog first became an institution during the Great Depression thanks to its bounty of condiments and 5-cent price tag. Today, Vienna Beef products are still made right at home in Chicago in small batches according to our traditional recipes. And apparently also, I think I said this on the video already, but I'm telling you this, when you put all the condiments on it like this, it's called dragging it through the garden. So.
No, it's really good. Delicious.
Is everything you hoped for. I honestly didn't know. I found the random section at our grocery store that had all the Vienna stuff in it, and I came home with the sport peppers because I like peppers on things, and he was like, why didn't you get everything else? So then I went back and found the hot dogs and the very, very, very green relish, of which is important. And that's that. You have anything to say? Because I'm hungry.
I'll say if you can't find Vienna Beef, which is the first time I've seen it, Nathan's hot dogs are also really good. And it would work.
Yes. I think Nathan's are everywhere. Ooh.
Yeah.
For everyone wondering, that noise was the ketchup bottle. It's just the ketchup
I
bottle.
think normally you want a skinless. They'll taste more realistic. So like a ballpark or something like this.
Oh yeah, instead of like Oscar Mayer or whatever.
Yeah.
See our ketchup bottle?
But no, it's absolutely delicious.
And like I said this to Jonathan. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can find this stuff everywhere, if it's just because we live closer to Chicago. I imagine if you lived in like Oregon, probably can't find this, but I don't know.
But I'm sure you can find a lot of the ingredients.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be exact. Anyway, I'm gonna go actually eat mine now. So we'll see you guys in the next video as Jonathan has finished his entire plate and I have mine here. That's what happens on these video days where he just eats and I wait. He'll make a second one.
Yeah, I'll have a second hot dog.
Okay, anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!